Greetings, fellow INFPs. Welcome back to Geek Psychology, the channel that helps you understand and develop your unique personality. I'm Sherman, and I'm here to help you understand more of your personality type so that you can just feel better about yourself, so that you can interact with people in a better way and live a life that's aligned with who you are. And today we're going to possibly start a new mini-series, and in each episode we'll explore what INFPs can learn from a different personality type and how to better communicate with them as well. For our first episode, let's dive into what we can learn from the ISFJs and how to speak their language. ISFJs, also known as the defenders or unifying guardians in the RPG model, are known for their warmth, practicality, and strong sense of duty. They're great at providing care and support for others, making them reliable friends and partners as well. So what can we as INFPs learn from the ISFJs? Embrace routine and structure. ISFJs are excellent at creating and maintaining routines that help them stay organized and efficient with other people in mind, and how to serve and assist other people, and how to host for them and take care of them, meet their needs. As INFPs, we might find this a bit challenging, but incorporating some structure into our lives can help us stay focused and achieve our goals.
You know, they say the early bird catches the worm, but the organized squirrel gets the nut. So let's channel our inner squirrel and get those acorns in a row.
Develop practical problem-solving skills. ISFJs are pragmatic and solution-oriented, which can be a valuable skill for INFPs to develop. So by focusing on practical solutions and taking concrete actions, we can really turn our dreams and ideals and ideas into reality.
I once tried to build a tree house using only my imagination. Turns out you need actual tools and a plan. Who knew? Dream big, but don't forget those small practical steps.
Show appreciation and gratitude. ISFJs are deeply caring and often put others' needs before their own. As INFPs, we can learn from their example by expressing our gratitude and appreciation for the people in our lives.
It's like giving someone a high five with both hands. Twice the appreciation. A little gratitude goes a long way, my friends.
Now let's discuss how to speak the same language as an ISFJ. Be clear and specific. ISFJs appreciate clear communication and concrete, practical details. When discussing ideas or plans, try to be as specific as possible to help them understand your perspective.
No more beating around the bush. Or, the tree. Trees are great for climbing, but even better for getting straight to the point.
Show empathy and understanding as well. Just like INFPs, ISFJs value deep connections and emotional understanding. Make an effort to empathize with their feelings and experiences to strengthen your bond with them.
We all need a shoulder to lean on, even if it's a tiny squirrel shoulder. Let's be that support for each other, one furry friend at a time.
Respect their need for stability. ISFJs often prefer stability and predictability, so try to respect their boundaries and avoid pushing them too far out of their comfort zone by going into new domains of life that they have never experienced too quickly.
Remember, not everyone's a fan of bungee jumping, figuratively or literally. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones we take one step at a time.
And I hope you, as the INFP viewer, found these insights helpful as you learn from ISFJs to improve your own style of communication with them, and also improving yourself by seeing yourself as a mirror reflected in the other types.
Remember, INFPs, you can always learn something new from other personality types. So stay curious and keep exploring.
That's it for today's episode, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Geek Psychology for more personality insights and personal growth tips. And let us know down below in the comments what you've learned from ISFJs or other types. And until next time, take care and keep growing. Peace.